9 minus 9 gives us 0. 9 minus 9 also gives us 0. And 0 times any number gives us 0. Unfortunately, this is the wrong answer for this expression because you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker, and that's the order of operations. If you're asking yourself if there is any order of operations, I'll have to tell you yes, because without a unified rule, there would be chaos in the mathematics. You would say 0 is the answer. I would claim another one, another number is the answer. So let's learn this order of operations. It is called PEMDAS, and it is an acronym. So let's see what PEMDAS stands for. P for parentheses or any grouping symbols. E for exponents. M for multiplication. D for division. A for addition. And finally, S for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority from the highest to the lowest priority. What PEMDAS tells us is that you must go for parentheses at first, then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division from left to right. They have the same precedence and priority. And finally, go for addition and subtraction. So for God's sake, learn PEMDAS once for all. So never be lost. Learn PEMDAS. Do I sound like Saul Goodman in Better Call Saul? Anyway, let's do the original expression. Do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any exponents? No. Do we have any multiplication? Yes. Let's do the multiplication. Just forget about anything else. Let's do the multiplication. So 9 minus 9 times 9 gives us 81. And then minus 9. We have just subtraction, go from left to right. 9 minus 81 gives us minus 72, and then minus 9. So minus 72 minus 9 gives us minus 81 again. And that's the final and the only correct answer. So for your homework, what would the answer be if we had 9 minus 9 times 9 minus 9 inside the parentheses? So make sure to work out this homework and put it in the comments below. So please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And all the best to you, all my dear students.